Hi friends, this is the Untitled Monk and today we are with the Samsung Galaxy M40. In this video, we will talk about the motion and gesture feature, dual app setting, game launcher, each and everything in detail. Now starting with that, you have to go to the advanced feature. In the first, you are getting a smart pop-up view. This is basically when you are using a dual screen or a split up screen multi-window, then this will be helpful. But this is only because if the app supports that. If your app doesn't support multi-view, then this will not happen. Now there is a direct share which is basically kind of share it we have seen earlier, but here you can share the app while the panel. Here you can see more features in that, but going back, there is a reduce animation will take a less battery, or it will be a little faster than what your phone is performing. There is left to wake, there is smart stay in motion gesture, there is also smart alert, easy mute, direct call, there is one-handed mode. So I will talk each and everything in detail now, starting with the one-handed mode. You can see the buttons are not available because I have enabled the gesture feature. I will change the gesture feature. Here you can see the buttons are available once the navigation keys are on the screen. So it is very easy. You double tap it, it will go to the one hand mode, and again in the top you can change it and it will go to the one hand mode. So one-handed mode is done from our side. There is also finger gesture. Here you can see once you put the finger sensor gesture on, once you swipe from your fingerprint sensor, here you can see all the notification drop downs very easily. Now talking about the last feature here given is the swipe to call or send messages. So here if you swipe your contact towards the right, you can make a call. If you swipe to the left in the contact, you will go directly to the message. Now talking about the smart alert, if you put your phone on, you can check, it will vibrate and show you the features what it is having. Lift to wake, if you are just putting your phone on, putting it up, it will just wake the phone up. Now talking about smart stay, if you are looking into the screen, it will be stay on. If you want the smart alert, you just have to put the phone and rotate it, then it will be vibrating and then it is done. Putting on mute, it is very easy. You flip the phone towards the downside of the screen and it will be done. If you are getting a call and you just put the phone near your ears, it will directly connect you with the call, so you don't have to take the call or answer the call. There is no situation like that. Now there is a game launcher, which is one more important thing. So what is about the game launcher? The game launcher is basically, I will show you separately. So the game launcher is a collection of all the games. It is kind of a game hub where you have the games and you can search the game, you can play it around, and you can install more games because it will give you some suggestions. Here you can see the game launcher. It will ask if you want to put it on, and for the marketing research you can skip that part. If you want to hide the home apps and app screen of the games, this will only done to the games. So if you want to hide them from the home screen, you can do that also as well. Now talking about the sound, here you can put the audio on. Now talking about discovering more games, this is actually a gallery where a number of games are there. You can install them, you can sort the games, and also there is a notification badges. If you want, you can switch it on, or if you don't want, there is also application app notification. If you want, all the game app notification will come to you. So these are the things what you are getting in the game launcher part. So this is definitely a cool thing what you are getting. Now there is one more thing, dual messenger. We have talked about this. The dual messenger is something where you can use, like a Facebook, you can use two accounts at the same time on the same phone using the single SIM and with different accounts. So how you can do that? You have to first install the Facebook. I haven't installed the in the device. Now I am installing it, and here you can see Facebook app is installed and saved. Now once I go to the app gallery, here you can see there is a first Facebook primary app and the second is the dual one is in the second page, and there will be a little small logo where you will detect that this is the secondary app for the device. This is how you can enable your dual messenger. Now there is a panic mode. It is basically the SOS message. You can get it configured also to where to send and whom to send. Talking about digital well-being, this was announced by Google last year, and this is basically, it will monitor your apps and the users of phone, how much you have spent on particular time app, and this will give you the exact time what you have spent in the devices, and this will monitor for months and years. Now there is a wind down which will actually put it into grayscale mode, there will be black and white. There is nothing other color will be shown for the device. So this is what you are getting in that section. Now we will tell about the device care. So device care is basically what all the apps are running. You want to clean the apps from the background running and you want to free your RAM. So this is the best way and easy way. This is given already by the company. So I will definitely recommend don't use the third party apps for cleaning, as they bring the bloatware, viruses, spyware with them. And talking about the software update, the device is updated on 9 June 2019. So this is also 12 June. So this is the latest Android update of the device with the security patch. Now there is one more thing we will go there and check. There is a notification setting. If you want to put the status bar in this, you have the 3 notification or all notification. You can also switch on the battery percent, which I always like because the battery percentage is necessary when you are using the phone. And finally there is NFC present in the device. This is all in the part 2 of the tips and tricks for Galaxy M40. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.